We've been seeing official teasers, leaked photos, and even some price rumors swirling around the web for the Galaxy A55 and the Galaxy A35. But the wait is almost over because we finally have an official launch date. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into everything we know about these highly anticipated devices. Just a few days ago, Samsung India shared an official teaser video on YouTube. Now, the video description included the hashtags Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35. And considering the timing aligns with previous rumors, it's pretty safe to say this teaser is for their upcoming mid-range phones. The teaser itself gives us a glimpse of the new design, featuring a flat frame and a unique key island for the buttons. And guess what? Shortly after the teaser, Samsung confirmed the official launch date March 11th, which is less than a week away. As the excitement builds, leaked photos of the Galaxy A55 have recently surfaced online, and let me tell you, it's looking sharp. Leaked photos, first appearing on X, showcase the much-anticipated flat frame design, exactly as we saw in earlier renders. The same source claims that this flat frame is made of metal, not plastic, which would definitely elevate the phone's overall look and feel, bringing it closer to the Galaxy S24 series. In fact, the design does bear a striking resemblance to the S24 from various angles. These photos also reveal two color options for the A55 white and black. More recent hands-on photos of the A55 offer a closer look. If you pay attention to the frame above the power and volume buttons, you might notice a subtle shine, potentially hinting at a metallic construction. If true, this would be a significant upgrade for the Galaxy A series and contribute to a more premium user experience. The previous leak source also revealed the rumored camera configuration for the A55. It's expected to feature a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP wide-angle lens, and a 5MP telephoto camera, along with a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies. Additionally, the leak suggests that the Galaxy A55 will come in various storage and memory options, with the maximum RAM capacity reaching up to 12 GB this time around. This could mark the first time Samsung offers a mid-range phone with RAM exceeding 8 GB. Now, you might be concerned that these upgrades could lead to a significant price hike. However, the good news is that the rumored pricing for the A55 is actually lower than expected, which is definitely a welcome surprise. Rumors suggest that the upcoming Galaxy A55 and A35 could be priced slightly lower compared to their predecessors in most major markets. This translates to more affordable options for those seeking capable phones without breaking the bank. Specifically, the Galaxy A55 is rumored to start at Euro 479 for the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage version, and 529 euros for the 8GB 256GB model. The Galaxy A35 follows a similar pricing trend, starting at 379 euros for the 6GB RAM 128GB option and 449 euros for the 8GB 256 configuration. The internet is buzzing with leaks about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A55 and A35, and we've learned a lot about these phones. But new details seem to pop up every day. So, are you interested in picking up a Galaxy A55 or A35? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious to see more details about these phones, then stick around and watch this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.